Thank you. 6:32 right now. We do have some breaking news this morning. A bomb threat forces a plane to make an emergency landing at London Stansted Airport. Now, this was an Air India flight. That flight was going from Mumbai to Newark. The airline says it will soon provide updates on what exactly happened here, because this is all we know so far. Meanwhile, the airport releasing a statement that says the airplane is parked away from the airport operations. It also says that the runway has reopened and is now fully operational following that precautionary landing. This is a live look over at Newark Airport, which doesn't seem to be affected at all.